engine ekozesa kati njawula bwe nti engine ekozesa amafuta ekozesa petrol. To differentiate between diesel engine and petrol engine. Petrol engine, first of all, petrol engine has carburetor or common fuel rail, yet diesel engine has injector pump. Petrol engine has spark plugs. The other diesel engine has heater plugs. Petrol engines, they allow petrol engines inlet manifold inlet valve allow the mixture of air and fuel to enter the cylinder, whereas diesel engine inlet valve allows air only to enter the cylinder. So that is the difference between diesel engine and petrol engine and diesel engine. Bwebanga emmotoka nga bandetedde emmotoka nga tetambulangako, kyenyinza otandikirako, nyinza tandikira ku charging system, nyinza tandikira ku battery yaayo eri mu mbeera ki, kuliko omuliro oba tekuli, yo ekola oba tekyasobola kustowalinga voltage. Awo nenkebirako ku alternator yo eri etya nga ngitestinga. So awo nsobola nkeberako ne ku mipiira gyayo tire pressure inside the tire.